To understand cloud, we must understand virtualization. It is the technique of splitting a physical resource into as many logical resources as we want. So, folks, I'm teaching you virtually, right? So, what's the difference between virtual teaching and teaching in a classroom? All the resources are present here. The only difference is that we are not physically present in a classroom right now. Process of using software to divide physical hardware into separate virtual servers is server virtualization. For instance, this is my host machine and it runs Windows 10. I can run another operating system on the same machine, for example, Linux or Windows 7, using virtualization. Now let's see what is hypervisor. A hypervisor is a software that enables the sharing of physical compute and memory resources across multiple virtual machines. In other words, hypervisor allows one host computer to support multiple guest virtual machines by virtually sharing its resources such as memory and processing.